Right, we're in the driveway and there's a big maple tree right here. Oh, it's huge. It's got to be 60 feet. But it's been attacked by woodpecker, the giant pileated woodpecker. Now you think it would like to go after all this stuff that's already down, but maybe there's just not enough bugs in there. So the first sign something's going on is all this wood chip at the bottom of the tree. And you look up, oh, there's this giant gouge. That's got to be about 4 or 5 feet long. All done by pileated woodpecker chasing bugs. That's going to be fun to fix. Remember this maple tree that had all the woodpecker debris on it? Well, now we have it covered with 2 wraps of burlap. Let's get a step ladder out and rest it against the tree. We started off with some bungees, but as you can see there's no tension left in them. So we ended up with the twine to string it together, and these handy grommets. So hopefully that's going to stop the further chipping away on this big old maple tree. Because it's in pretty good nick otherwise, I don't want it to kill it. Okay, there's a pileated woodpecker in the very top of this tree. If I can get him on camera. I can hear him. Where is he? Oh, there he is. Pileated woodpecker. Big bugger. Loud. Go on, do some hammering. Oh, he's off. Yeah, the pileated woodpecker is whacking away in a tree.
Yes.
And he's basically talking about his assistants and security personnel who would help him in these alleged acts of sex trafficking.
Oh, he's camera shy. And he's crawling up that tree, the pileated woodpecker.
Does it go beyond that? That if this was something that had been going on for many, many years, and the indictment says it's as far back as
So this is the burlap we put on the tree a couple of weeks ago. We noticed after a couple of days that it appears the woodpecker has been back, but I think this put them off because they haven't been back in a couple of weeks, so fingers crossed we may have stopped it. And so centered in the view is where we put the burlap on this big old maple tree, and as you can see this is a giant maple. It's got to be 60 feet up there. Looks in pretty good nick really. We'd love to protect it. Keep going. Encourage him to go somewhere else. There's a lot of dead trees in this forest. Why don't you go pick on something that's deader